Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. How are you all doing? I hope you are enjoying your day. In this video I'll be sharing with you this quick recipe how to make abacha with beans, guys. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are enjoying your day. In this video I'll be taking you through how to make a delicious abacha. We call it English, Nigerian salad, guys. So I hope I got it right. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more. You'll be seeing a different method to make abacha with one delicious ingredient, guys. Let's go. So in your pot, we'll be adding in our red oil, guys. So after that, we go in with our onion. One nutmeg, guys. I'm not using a account for this recipe due to some reasons. And here is my blended crayfish. And here is my uba, guys, or we call it Abacha. Then I blended my pepper with my ogiliope, guys. Then you go in with your salt to taste. It's a very quick recipe. You don't take time. Just have to rush it. And here is our season cube, guys. So after adding it, I'm using a little fish stock for this recipe. This is how my mother make her abacha, and it always come out so great and tastes so delicious, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, like and share for more. So after that, we have to cover and allow it to boil for like 3 minutes, guys. So guys, after some minutes, this is what we have here. So guys, we'll be going in with our abacha, guys. And my beans, that's the reason why I told that this one is different. It always tastes so great. My mother teach me how to make this abacha with beans, and it's always a great combination. Guys, make sure to try this recipe out. You will love it. It's a great combination and it's very healthy, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. That is the only way to show that you love what you watch and to support me. And best that's it. So guys, you can see it's very simple and easy. This is how to make your lovely abacha with beans, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.